Hey, today we're gonna be unboxing Warrior Metalhead Michelangelo. It doesn't sound right. Who names these? So it's still in a bag, but there's no brown box on the outside, which is good. I'm happy, but it's unfortunate. I was gonna do a whole CSI unboxing one box, and then unbagging, then unboxing, film nice and cool. But instead, you gotta watch me open this. Shouldn't be that bad. Alright, Warrior Metalhead Michelangelo. Bad name, but cool figure. Alright, let's get this guy open and get a look at him. He looks awesome. I don't have the original Metalhead in the regular colors by Super7. I wish I did, but I'm trying to not get any Super7. I thought I was out, but then they pulled me back in. Those bastards. But yeah, I really did think I was out after I got the 4 turtles, and I ended up getting Slash, and I got Shredder. Slash was unnecessary, but he was there at the time and I bought him. But I want Splinter, and I got another one that I pre-ordered and it should be coming this month. I hope it comes soon. I'm really excited for that one. And then it may be Splinter if I find him for the right price, and then that's it. I love Super7, but they're so big and so expensive. So for starters, we have 4 or 5 other hands. One with a snake finger coming out. That's awesome. Plus these other hands that aren't hands, they just are spinning nunchucks. I probably will never put those on him, but they look kind of cool, like helicopters or something. I skipped a lot, but let me tell you, this is a ridiculous amount of vacuum forming. Like, it goes around it, but then over it and closes in on itself. So it just really doesn't want to come out. And other pieces were also like this. The hands. I mean, at least the heads don't have anything on it you can really break off. This one has orange eyes. This one has like glass eyes. Well, not glass, but see-through. And I guess it's orange. Looks kind of reddish. I'll have to shine a light through and then you'll see it glow, I think. There he is. What an ordeal. Coffee break. And we'll see if its leg will go back straight after being so tightly vacuum packed in a weird position. No, one leg seems a little off. Like loose. Turtles are usually hard to stand up because of their shell, but this guy's next level. Bend, or like it should move. It's weirdly loose in there, but then those are tight, but like one side is coming out. What about a knee bend? That's, I mean, I haven't heated them up, but I shouldn't have to heat up a toy to bend its knee. Or it's not a toy, it's a figure for adult purposes, 14 plus, whatever that would be. So it's a single knee. This extra piece is just for show. It's just painted plastic, so that's dope, but it doesn't have an extra bend. There we go, he's standing up. And I always keep this twist tie. It's like a silvery clear twist tie that comes with the Super7, because if you make your own nunchucks, this is the, like toy nunchucks, which I love how they have the chain, always super awesome. But this is the perfect thing for a nunchuck string, because then you can pose it however, because it's wire, it'll stay. So I always keep those. Got this awesome finger whip thing like the Mousers have. But in this original cartoon, did Mikey ever end up in the body of Metalhead? I think there was a toy like this, but did it actually happen in the cartoon? I know in the 2012 series, Donatello ends up in Metalhead's body eventually. I don't know, I don't remember that episode. There might not have ever been that episode. But I also brought out this party wagon, or wallop wagon. No, I call it the wallop wagon, the party wallop. It's another like very, very bad name. These guys, I guess, get good at art and designing, maybe aren't so good with words. I used to be better, actually, but now that I do this, I spend all my time, alone playing with toys. I mean, making awesome custom figures, but my word stuff is not as good as it used to be. Yeah. Here, let's see him with these nunchucks. It's easy to get them into the hand, but then they're loose. I guess that's the trade-off you get. Either it's super hard to get them in the hands and then they hold them tight, or you can get them in easy and it's not falling out, so that's good. I would rather have easy to get in. He's holding it fine. Check his elbow. Good elbow. He's got 2 grenades stuck on him on his belt, and then these are awesome. Which hand is this? Oh, perfect. I really like this finger hand. Extendo finger. Oh, it's the wrong hand. Yeah, that looks awesome. Really like that. The shoulder, yeah, it goes up pretty tight. That's good. Rubber belt or silicone or whatever. Oh, even his chest is soft. That's a soft plastic on the chest. So a lot like a regular turtle. So that's why you get this hip swivel and rock. Let's get his backpack on. Oh, let's give him a hand. Give him this hand. And it's going to be even harder to stand him up once this backpack's on his shell. Then you have to try and get these in. This is like really hard Lego. That's tough. I need more coffee to do that. See, none of the other unboxers and reviewers show you this part. It's the ugly part. Oh, that one went in nice, but that's what I do. I mean, it's what I'm best at. Here we go. I'm the guy who'll say what no one else will say, but they want to say most of the time, probably, in my opinion. It doesn't always work out for me. But this finger, you can bend it, but it goes back to its natural form, so you can like have him whip that guy, and it'll slowly attack him. There we go. Just tough guy. The hands come off pretty easily. So there has to be like a good middle ground where things work and go in and out without falling off, but are not like near impossible to put together, Yeah, this guy, no chance. It's gonna be tough to find a place to display him. Oh, I got a little paint chip on my finger there. I don't know where that came from. That's not the best sign. So this, it's the same as this one, same face and stuff, but it has resin eyes and brain. So are they shining? See, the painted ones shine even more. I was gonna bring a flashlight, but I forgot, and I don't have one. Yeah, that looks awesome. But if you have to hold a light over his head like this, kind of defeats the purpose. In person, it's glowing orange. Anyway, I mean, it's cool. I like the resin eyes, but they could have at least gave him a different mouth shape or something, I like his gold teeth, too. But if you're gonna give him an extra head, give him like a different face. Like it's smiling on one side, or this one, it's open and he's sticking no, he's not sticking his tongue out, but he has a tongue, which is strange because he's a robot. Why do you need a tongue? But he doesn't have bottom teeth. Interesting. Again, these orange eyes shine more than these eyes. I mean, I like these. It's hard. At least if it was a different face, I could go on the face. But if I had to pick just between the eyes, I'm gonna go with the ones that are already glowing orange. These ones, it looks like maybe if he is turned off, then his eyes go to those. Then it makes sense. Because that's him turned on, and that's him turned off. Okay, I like that. I've solved a problem. And it's only a problem I have, and it's only to satisfy my own needs of solve problems. I don't get up to much. Is this gonna spin? Yeah, but not a lot. I only took out one of these. So he looks like maybe he's dancing, because he's got to be in this weird position to stand up. Oh, no, now he's standing up normal. I got lucky there. I don't want to ever touch him again now. But that's next to the party wallop, the wallop wagon, warrior metalhead Michelangelo. What's with these names? Really blows me away. I'm at a loss for words, because I think reading all their bad names is what made me so bad at words. I really used to be good. I also have this 2012 Metalhead. He's a lot smaller, I also have one the same that I didn't customize. I like how the brightness of his yellow makes him pop out, but this one I did like really dirtied up and battle damaged and greasy, and he does work on the 2012 truck that I have out there that I customized. But yeah, this figure is awesome. I haven't talked about him nearly enough. Now he's not gonna stand up nice. Alright, Donnie, you stand up too. Okay, so we have Metalhead Mikey with his brother. Again, let me know if this ever happened in the cartoons. I know there was an old toy like this, or maybe the M was for Metalhead and he was just in Michelangelo colors because Michelangelo spent a day painting him. If it never happened in the cartoon, then that's as likely a scenario as any. But thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.